What up? Today's 6th? Fuck, it's the 7th. 7th, but Chris and Omar about to come down. We about to off-road or some shit. Just Impala. I really don't know. They got texted this morning. But I thought I'd record today. But yeah, I'll probably turn this... I'll turn this back on once we're fucking back where we're supposed to be. I brought the fucking BB gun in here. So go shoot some shit. Go tap some shit up. But yeah, I'll turn this on once we're like there or some shit.
I'm remembering the controls.
Dude, don't worry, just fly it, dude.
Don't be a fucking putty winkle, man.
Okay.
Fighting the wind a little bit.
Swoop that shit right by us.
It's gonna fucking hit us. One time that dude was driving by the Walmart building, he went all the way to the top, and it almost fucking went in to the top.
Damn.
The wind.
But that thing's sick.
Like I'm really going forward right now, but I'm just fighting that. Oh.
Swing that bitch over here.
Fighting that. Oh my god.
Bro, shit. Bro, shit is so far away.
Oh, fuck. Going right into the grass.
Yo. That's just a picture of them red fucking ants, bro.
Dude, should I just launch it through them?
Dude, yeah, dude, there's a...
Dude, fucking donuts on them? You're gonna have to run though,
Punch that shit on the way back. Damn, dude.
Oh, where'd it go? You can make it through there.
Bro, don't crash.
I can't, bro. This fucking. Cause I can't just fly over the bumps like that. I don't got that much strength.
Bro, the way this dude just turns into the bushes, bro.
I wasn't looking.
All you had to do was go straight.
Omar, don't go right there! Oh fuck, I'm gonna go.
Oh, you're gonna hit it? Oh, okay. Fuck myself.
You're stuck in a bush, bro.
Oh.
Hit that shit, Omar!
Bro!
Oh shit, it worked.
GoPro dirty as shit. Dude, that kicks up so much dirt.
Yeah, let's go like right here or something.
Yeah. Probably a better idea.
Working his double jobs.
He's working. He didn't quit McDonald's?
No, he's working both, bruh.
I thought bro put his 2 weeks in.
Same.
Has it been 2 weeks?
I don't know.
I swear it's been 2
He
weeks.
said he wants to quit one of them. Just give it some power. Got it.
Still in two-wheel 2, baby!
Damn.
I can see the tires like
They're spinning?
No, they're
Gripping?
like squishing.
It's good.
You can low-key kind of feel it. It's literally underwater fucking underground rut, bro.
Dude, I know. I seen that shit. Like nothing though, like nothing.
Almost thought I would have to put her in 4 by now.
You don't need that
I think it's right up here too.
Not the. I think it is. You can go. I think it's like a little bit more, but yeah.
I think that's where we had to back out.
shit. As she is flowing all the way from.
Omar, get your ass over here. Damn, bro, you good? It buzzed. I mean, it's still good.
No, it's got double click.
Bro, this shit looks crazy, bro. I don't know
I
what.
took a dab in a minute.
Yeah, bro, don't be touching that shit. Yo, Omar.
There's some thornies in you, bro.
Fuck no, that shit looks like it gives you a rash. Bro, but that hole is right there. They made fucking shit in there.
Someone fucking made a little bridge.
What was that shit called? Wishwa?
Something like that.
What, this river?
Yo, Bobar. Get that shit, boy.
Shit hot as hell.
Yeah.
Yeah, that shit's like almost out. Still going?
Was out. Or am I just buzzing?
Hit the tree. I think I nah. Get this shit out. I got this.
I'm hungry, bro. We should stop by P.
Alright, bro.
Fuck, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to walk around that shit.
Should we just jump over this shit? Like fucking.
Might be able to. I think this whole, this entire bush is full of cobwebs. This whole path. I can see they're all tangled up. Yeah.
Oh, bro, you see that fucking spider?
Where?
Okay, so there's this one right here, then there's one like right there, bro.
I see it, but I don't see the spider.
It looks like a hand. Like you see that web? This looks to the left a little bit. That's so not. That's a weird ass,
I
bro.
wanna go through?
No, Omar, you have to go to the
What's that?
side, bro.
I'm gonna go through this right now.
You're going to this side? Bro, hold up,
Bro,
hold
if
up.
I slip, I'm just gonna go straight into that book.
I'm not going down there?
There's like just two fat ass spiders right in the way.
Alright, go that way. Bro, all this fucking grass got me fucked up, bro. You jumping that shit?
Fuck no. Yeah, bro, I don't know. I don't think we'll be able to get over.
Omar, what if we just fucking just sprinted from here and like jump
Yeah, hell no. Just gonna fucking, you're not gonna be able to stop. You're just gonna fly off and go right into
Bro,
the
no, I'm gonna
stream.
fucking fly into that spider web, bro.
Yeah, fuck that.
Oh, dude, his spider web's big as fuck.
Fuck that. We're not gonna be able to get down there.
Omar bitching out, bruh.
Shut.
Just
Make
sure the shit's shooting. Oh yeah, it's shooting.
You missed.
Bro.
Bro, you suck. You suck.
Bro.
Which branch are you trying to hit, bro? The one right in front.
It's this one right here.
Yes, bro.
Am I hitting it?
Nah.
Something.
You're hitting the tree behind it. Oh wait, I think you are hitting it.
You hit it twice. Hit it another time?
Yeah, you are hitting it.
Dude, I fucking watched it.
Damn.
Miss.
I don't think it's shooting.
I don't think so, yeah.
I'll bring it next time.
Oh, you hit it.
Dude, like one more hit. You fucking split it.
Damn.
Still going.
Oh.
Omar. You gotta hit it one more,
Fucking
bro.
fly near my ear.
Dude.
That's done.
That fucking airsoft fucking
Yeah,
in you. Damn, this shit dirty. I shot that fucking branch down. Shot that shit down. I just smacked this shit though. I just smacked this up. Look at Omar, bro. Oh my god, dude, he looks so out of pocket. Holy shit. God damn. Fuck. Keep coming. Stop, stop, stop.
Am I gonna go off like an edge?
Nah, it's just like your exhaust is like right on the dirt. Like it's just lifted. Just drive into that bush. You're good. Good. God damn. God damn. You got it. Okay, you're good. Damn. Oh, okay, dude. Bro, nah, bro. Go forward, bro. There's too many weeds right here.
Good?
Yeah.
God, bro.
Omar, you smacked that Nick. Oh, shit.
Smack that ass.
What, bro? What'd you just say?
Huh?
Nah, dude, I got that shit on video, bro. I got your hat. I got your ass, dude.
How many clips I got?
You ain't got shit on me, bro.
I got
He's coming when he's on the bound.
Oh!
Ah, dude.
Oh! Oh my god, bro.
God damn.
Holy shit, dude, my phone flew, bro.
Yeah, my shit. My shit just flew everywhere.
My phone went hard.
Exclusive.
Let me see that shit. Can you see that fucking
Yeah.
shit?